Hi everyone, welcome to Rap4 TV. Today we're featuring the Rap4 Shogun push button release remote line. There is nothing to compare to the ease of use of our top-of-the-line Shogun push button quick pressure release remote line. It's fast, easy to use, and connects and disconnects with the push of a button, a definite strength of this design. Its only weakness is that since this design has moving parts, it is prone to leaks on the field, but with proper maintenance that can be minimized. This remote line is so easy to use, no install instructions are necessary. You just connect, lock your marker, and go. If you keep the O-rings properly oiled after each use, it can help minimize any leaks or O-ring breaks on the field of play. To keep your Shogun remote lines in top condition, oiling is recommended after each use. If you have any questions on anything you've seen, feel free to email us at info@rap4.com. Thanks for watching.